Hello everyone, this is Morshed. So I have a quick update regarding a remarkable tool which is not turning on, and customers sent the device to us from Indiana. So this device has a power issue and also was not taking a charge, no symptom, no sign of life. So let me device. So here is the tablet, and we open the circuit board, and of course this is the remarkable tool, and we open the device, and surprisingly we found the issue here. As you can see, the bracket here, right, the PCB circuit board is broken. All of the connector for the USB-C connector is broke. None of them is good. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and there is 2 more, so total 12 pin are damaged and broken. So I don't know yet we're gonna be able to fix this one or not. Definitely attempt to solder a new USB-C port. However, we have to find out the connector somewhere here, and trying to trace and join the connector and pin to see make a connections between the USB-C and PC boot. So this is the situation. Not turning on remarkable could be broken circuit board inside the device. So this is the reason we need the diagnostic first before do anything, to find out the actual root cause, to see whether we can fix or we cannot fix. To check a device, we have a $59 upfront diagnostic fee to take a look and check the device and find out. This is a bench fee which is covered the technician time to check a device and find out what's wrong and what need to be repaired. Again, this is Morshed from Computers Repair Plus, and we are here in Bradenton, Florida. The store address is 9 Lakewood Ranch Blvd, Bradenton, Florida 34211. And if you are local, we are next to the State Road 64, next to the Publix Plaza. That's all the update for the remarkable today, and any questions, feel free to comments below or give us a call to 941-567-6431 or email. You can send us an email at contact@computersrepairplus.com. Thank you. Bye bye.